Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This time we're gonna start this project that I've been wanting to start to for a while now. It's like a photography challenge, but this time I want to do self-portraits, and there's gonna be like two versions of it. One of them is gonna be like cosplay stuff, and the other one is gonna be something else. But right now, I had a poll put up, and a lot of people chose for me to do Storm from X-Men first, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm a little nervous because I don't know how it's gonna turn out. And what I want to do is the comic version of Storm. Let me show you. So when I first looked her up, I mean, I know who she is, right? But when I first looked up to get inspo, this was the picture that came out. And that is what I want to do, because I see other pictures and they all look weird and I don't have the bodysuit for that. So this is gonna be like a body art as well, because I'm gonna draw it on myself. And yeah, I'm a little nervous, but like I said, I'm excited to start this. I have a new setup. I have this other camera where I'm gonna be not mainly focusing my my face there, but if I look over here, it's because of that camera. This camera is for TikTok. This one is for YouTube. And yeah, I think that's it for the intro. I'm not going to be talking throughout the rest of the video. Probably do a voiceover or something. But yeah, I'm excited. I don't think I'm going to put too much in my face because hers looks a little more natural. But I still want to, I don't know, maybe add some definition, like some brown and winged eyeliner. And yeah, I think that's it. Oh, let me show you the props. So for props, from that picture, I did this. I don't know if you can tell. I cut it off a blow dryer, a hair dryer, and I don't know if you can tell, but it's Remington, and well, this just goes like that. This looks wonky, but it's fine. It's just a picture. And then I did these. It's the logo for X-Men. So I was thinking of maybe putting it here since I'm gonna do the body art type of thing. But I didn't know what size to pick. So I did like 3 small ones just in case I mess up with something. And then I did these big ones. Kind of reminded me of Bakugo. And it hurt. I don't know. I was thinking of maybe putting one here if I decide to do something else. If not, I don't know. I just wanted to do different sizes so I can be like, okay, let's go with that size. I think that's it. Yeah. So I have a tutorial on the crown and on those. It should be up on TikTok by when I upload this, or maybe a little after. But yeah, I'm excited. So let's get started because it is currently 9:30 and I said I was gonna start an hour ago. So okay, let's get into it.
This is the palette that I used. I don't know, it's a random palette. I mainly use that brown shade and the gray ones that are aligned vertically in the corner. And that's all I used. I mainly just use it to like make a smoky look. In a bit, you'll see that I tried using glitter, but I took it off because I feel like it distracted too much from the look. And I wanted the eyeliner to be the main focus for my eyes. So, yeah, I mean, you can keep the glitter if you want, but I felt like it was a little too distracting for my liking. After that, I did my eyebrows, and for that, I usually use Got2b glue, and I thinned them out because Storm, like in the movie and in the comics, her eyebrows look pretty thin. So I just pinched my eyebrow hair together to make it thinner and went over it with some black eyeshadow. And yeah, the eyeliner took me like 10 minutes to do, so that's why I didn't record it. This is my first time using that duo eyelash glue, and it was so good. I love the applicator, and the lashes, I got them from Dollar Tree. And yeah, I think that's all I need to explain. These are just the products that I use. You can see other videos where I put them on and like give my review on them. But yeah, I went for like a matte look. The lipstick, don't ask me. I don't know where it's from, what it is, but it's really good. Just go with any nude color, I guess. And for body paint, it's the Athena body paint. I got it from Amazon.
I don't know how I feel about this. I still need to put on the wig and the headpiece, but I really thought this was gonna look better. I mean, it looks okay, like from a distance, and you know, I am gonna put the wig on and then I'll come and show you with this. If I don't like it, I'm probably gonna take it off, like just this part, and I'll see what I can do. But this is what it's looking like right now. It's hard to keep this up, so let me just put on the wig. It's decent enough for a few pictures that I feel like if I edit them, it would look good. That's how it looks like with the piece. Let me go a little bit back. That's how it looks like with the piece. It was really hard. I feel like I should have put on the wig first before doing this body paint because it's smudged everywhere and it's just everywhere. De lejitos más bonito, so yeah. See, I didn't even go all the way. I'm just gonna... This is one of the props that I made. It looks weird. I mean, it looks okay. Like for a picture, it's pretty cute. I put a light in here and it has that like lightning effect, but it takes a little too long. I might make a video using that lighting effect, but I like how it's just... I was gonna put on some black nails, but I ain't got time for that right now. I'm gonna take this off before I take pictures. But I made a TikTok tutorial on how to do this. I'll probably upload it as a short here on YouTube. But yeah, it's cute. I made this other one that it doesn't have a... Oh no, I made this other one that doesn't have a light. And I don't know, I feel like this is also kind of cute just to have around, take a picture and just edit some lightning coming out of it. I think that's it. I don't know. I feel it's okay. I guess if you want to actually like do it, maybe get some clothes, thrift it. I kept putting it off and I was like, I need to do it now. If not, I'm never gonna do it. So this is what I came up with. This is just a quick look. And yeah, this is the crown. This is without the crown. Yeah, her in the comic, or well, from this picture, it's called Matt Mendoza. I guess he drew this picture. And look, that's the crown that I made that looks kind of wonky. It's because I saw this other one that has like this little stick here. Whatever. But you get the gist of it. She has some braces there that I forgot, and I will redo all of my looks one day. But for now, this is what you're getting. And oh yeah, what I was saying, the hair, she has like a whoop in the back. I don't know if you can see it. I ain't doing that. This is my version of Storm. I haven't fully gotten into playing around with the synthetic wigs, like styling them and stuff. And I feel like this is an okay look. I guess if you wanted to go for like the movie version, with, what's her name? Halle Berry? Catwoman? Then yeah, but this is a look. Yeah, I hope you like it, and I don't know what else to say. Check out my TikTok. I'm gonna be posting a quicker version of all of this. I didn't put me like doing my face and stuff because my battery was dying. I just put in a new battery. Yeah, it's just the same products that I've always used. I'll list them in the description if you wanted to know more about them. Yeah, let me do a little up close. Never mind, I'll do that in another video. But yeah, you know what? The more I look at it from afar, it looks good.